I'm Alicia.
I'm Tyler.
And we are here at Cedar Point for Sirens Curse opening day.
Yes, we are. And we've been waiting for this for almost a year and a half now. We are really, really excited to ride this ride. We have seen so much content on the internet for this roller coaster. And might I say, all the reviews and everyone's feedback on it, it's just amazing. And we are super excited to get on this.
Ready to go.
Yes, we are. We are ready to go like Top Thrill Dragster. We are here for early entry. It's a little past 9, so Top Thrill is running. It's supposed to be open for early entry.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hop on that quick, and then we're gonna go right to Sirens Curse for 10 and get on that bad boy.
All right, let's go.
It's definitely gonna be a super busy day here today. As we drove past the main parking lot to the back of Cedar Point Shores parking lot, it was already pretty much halfway full, and the park's not even open yet. So that's just what you gotta expect on days like today when a new roller coaster is opening. It's almost the 4th of July weekend, but we knew what we were walking into today, but we're gonna enjoy it. We're not gonna let the crowd ruin the day or the heat, because I know it's gonna be a super hot one today.
Brought our bathing suits just in case. We might go to the water park.
We getting in there. Stop playing, Alicia. We going to the water park.
Officially in the park, and it's time to hop in line for Top Thrill 2.
Oh man.
Okay, so this is currently the line for Top Thrill 2 right now. It's around 9:30. It should have been open at 9 for early entry, but it's currently just testing right now. So fingers crossed, will be opening soon.
So we just popped in line. It's not too bad at all. We're gonna put our stuff in the free lockers over here. Probably not be waiting too long for this at all. So we hopped in it first. We have fast passes for Sirens Curse, so we're not too worried if the line gets a little bit longer. Might as well hop in this, save the fast passes, and get a good nice ride on Top Thrill 2 for the first ride of the day. We just opened. What time is it, Alicia? We got 9:35 on the clock. Not too bad. We'll probably be off and on this before 10 o'clock by the look of the line. And then we'll run right over to Sirens Curse. And here we go. All right, we got our locker. Now time to find it through the maze. Oh, there we are right here. Bang, bang. All right, we'll see you guys after the ride. Just got off of Top Thrill 2.
Front row seat.
Oh, front row for the first time. And I'm telling you right now, that is the way to ride that ride.
Amazing.
100%.
Insane.
Yeah, it was crazy. Just the force that you get in that front row there, the wind hitting your face. I was drooling. Alicia's hair looked like a freaking lion. It was a mess. But it was a crazy experience. But if you ever get a chance to ride this ride, definitely front row is the way to go. 100%.
And it's literally a walk-on for Fastlane right now too.
Yeah.
So the line for Sirens Curse right now, looking pretty long. It's wrapping around Valraven almost. We're gonna get in line. We have our single-use fast lane, so that's what we're gonna be doing.
So we are in the fast pass line for Sirens Curse, and I'm noticing a couple things on this ride. They got some pretty nice theme in there. It's got like a little bit of a rustic effect there on the bottom supports of all the supports on the ride. It's pretty cool. Got people on the ride, and there goes the tilt. And let's see the first drop with the first riders on Sirens Curse today. Oh man, I am so excited to get on this ride. Nothing but positive feedback on this. Wow. Glass smooth. Here it comes. Oh man. Are you ready for this, Alicia?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey, we're finally starting to get some movement in the fast pass lane here. Oh my gosh. Should be any minute till we're actually in line, and we're gonna head to the free lockers. I do want to advise the lockers are small lockers, kind of like Steel Vengeance, but it looks like you can bring your fanny packs in here, unlike that ride. I'll tell you what though, it is really hot standing here in this line out here in the open. And it's only gonna get hotter. It's gonna be a very hot one today. So I think I just discovered the best thing about this ride. When people are looking straight down on you, you can look up, you can put your hand in the air, and you can give them a nice little wave. Hello. We got a couple waves front row. There we go, baby. There you go. This is 100% the best themed ride here at Cedar Point. They even got some other designs up the supports there. It's like some seaweed growing up from the bottom. Very nice. And we're gonna catch a barrel roll right over here coming through. Bam!
We're just getting off of Sirens Curse right now. We did it twice, once in the back, once in the front, and I have no words. It is absolutely incredible. The tilt is crazy. I was so scared. My heart was racing. I've never scared on rides.
That ride is actually, it's a really, really good ride. The only thing I can say about it, if it was like 20 seconds longer, that literally has potential to be top 5 ride on our list, 100%. They got music on the ride, theming, the tilt, like airtime, twist turns, upside down. They got everything you want in that ride. A little bit longer, top 5, 100%. Such a great ride. Great experience.
So good.
Yeah.
It's worth every minute that we waited.
Yeah, we waited like 2 hours for it.
Yeah.
With fast passes, it's not too bad considering the regular line is like 4 hours, so we're fine with it. And they did a great job on this thing. I'm so happy I came here.
Thank God.
Yeah,
we
definitely lucked out. And this one's definitely gonna, you know, get some coaster enthusiasts excited for sure. It's a great ride. Great ride. You definitely can't go wrong with sitting in the back or front. I can't say which one's better.
I think the back's better because when you're going up the tilt, it feels like you're just gonna fly right off. I don't know, it's insane.
Yeah, that's true. It is a little bit more intense in the back, considering you have a little bit of a longer drop, I guess you can say, because you're higher up, right? But man, like, I cannot wait to get on this ride again. Like Alicia said, we rode it twice, which is amazing.
So right now we're just gonna focus on some other rides. We might even go to the water park and cool down because we're pretty hot right now.
Yeah, it's disgustingly hot, but definitely worth it. And I'll tell you right now, if you do come here on a hot day and you get in line for that ride, there is a lot of areas that's not shaded, especially if it's a longer line and you're starting at the beginning. No shade whatsoever, but once you get to the center part of the line, you know, you're under like a little pavilion they have there, so it's okay, but there's a good chunk of that line where you're just waiting in the sun.
I highly suggest everybody to get fans with the water on them because the girl behind us, she had it and she was good.
Yeah.
We didn't have it. I wanted one though.
We definitely got to invest in one of those for sure.
Yeah.
So they just made an announcement that Millennium Force is down for maintenance. It's about 1 o'clock right now. It hasn't been opened all day.
We haven't even got on it at all this season, so we were really hoping today was going to be the day, but no, not today, I guess.
Honestly, this ride this year, like on the internet, I've been seeing like it's been having a lot of issues. I know they got the new chain lift, so it goes a little bit faster, but I don't know if that's what kind of buggered up the ride or not. But all I know is it's had a bunch of issues this year.
Shall we hop on?
I think we should. Oh, we're gonna hop on Skyhawk real quick. Great ride. Great way to cool down. Getting this some crazy heat right now. So as you can see, they up there. And we're gonna be up there too. Let's get on Skyhawk, Alicia. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Fellow Canadians. Hello, I think I know you.
Well, we just got ourselves a nice icy to cool down, and now we're gonna walk to the car, put our bathing suits on, and we're going to the water park. Like, we need to go swimming. It's too hot.
Yeah,
it's too hot.
I agree. So I just saw a video the other day of some kid on this ride, and he was absolutely just wobbling this cart back and forth, and it was crazy. And honestly, it looks like someone's kind of doing something just like that right now, number 5. Yeah, that's fun. We're getting on that. That looks like fun. We got some ongoers stuck on the Magnum right now. They are absolutely cooking right now. There's no way they're not.
The screaming for
Y'all cooking? You guys cooking? You guys? Okay, we are all changed and ready for the water park. Took the GoPro off the camera holder there, but we're gonna get in there. We're gonna bring the GoPro in, but we're not gonna be able to bring it on any slides or in any pools or anything like that because at least forgot the cases. But it is what it is. We'll get a good vlog at the water park for you next time we're here. But yeah, we're gonna go have some fun and cool down from this heat.
Yeah.
See you when we're done. Okay, so we just got out the water park, feeling nice and refreshed. Here comes Slowpoke Alicia.
I feel so much better after we cooled off in the water. We went into the wave pool. We didn't even do no water slides. I specifically just wanted to swim and go underneath the water to get away from the sun. We're gonna be heading over to Fridays at Breakaway, the hotel over there. Get some food, we're starving.
Yeah, I'm super hungry. Maybe we'll take a trip to the beach too. Who knows? We'll see where the day brings us. But we definitely want to ride some more roller coasters and maybe hop on Sirens Curse one more time.
Yes.
We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
This is honestly one of the best views in the park. You get so many views of so many different roller coasters here. It's very cinematic. All right, we just arrived to Breakers and we're gonna be making our way to Thank God It's Fridays.
Whoop, whoop. Even though it's Saturday.
Alright, so we did sit down, we just ordered some food, we just got our mozzarella sticks, and then Alicia got some chicken fingers for her main course, and I got a whiskey glazed burger. But we're about to dive into these mozzarella sticks.
Looks
and
delicious.
They do, and TGI Fridays has the best mozzarella sticks.
They do.
Don't at me. Alright, let's see the cheese pull, Alicia. Oh, give me that.
All right, guys, we just got finished eating. It was delicious. 10 out of 10. Recommend coming here every single time.
Alrighty, so we made the tough decision to to leave, make the trek back home to Canada. It's really hot today, like extremely hot, unbearably hot. There's people in line for Sirens Curse, which we forgot to mention. They were getting walked out of line, wheelchaired out. There's at least 3 people. I saw one getting wheelchaired out and 2 people leaving. And actually one person.
Boy puked all over the place.
Somebody puked all over the place. Yeah, a little boy.
Coming back on Tuesday anyways. Yeah. Like, we're really trying to get on Millennium. We haven't been on Millennium at all this year, and it's closed today. So fingers crossed, it's gonna be open Tuesday.
At least we have to check out Sirens Curse for the opening day. That's really why we came here anyways. So we got to ride it twice. So
which we didn't think we were doing.
No, not at all. We had some special privileges for our second ride. So we kind of just got to walk right on it right away again for 2 rides in a row. So, which is pretty crazy to say. Yep. But we just got really lucky considering it's a 3-hour wait. So we're happy about that. But yeah, we're gonna call it a day here, go back to Canada, and we'll be back on Tuesday to ride it some more.
Just want to thank you guys so much for joining us today and coming along on this adventure for opening day for Sirens Curse. Yep. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys!
If you guys are liking what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!